Hello everybody, today we're gonna see about Friedman test. Last time we tried to see about critical values at test method, and today we will see a Friedman test and Friedman comparison for a non-parametric data. So the Friedman test is one of a non-parametric test which was developed and implemented by Milton Friedman, and this test is used for the comparison of three or more dependent samples. So this test involves ranking of each row together and then considering the values of rank by columns. And the other features of this Friedman test or comparison method is there is no assumption are made when just implementing free test. And it also may be used as an alternative option to be to repeated measures of analysis of variance or ANOVA when the assumption of normality is not fit or made. So just like other non-parametric tests, the Friedman test, as I mentioned before, it is use ranks of data rather than their raw data to compute the test statistics. And the other fact is that there is no assumption are made in this test. So this indicates that it's not as powerful as ANOVA. So let's come to our analysis. So first you have to mention or don't forget to call library agricole, then type this one and run here. And if you want the structure to see the structure of Friedman test, you can refer str or structure and write the Friedman here and run over here. So it gives you the judge, the treatment, the evaluation, and also the level of significance of the alpha is 0.05. So by this way we can see the structure. So for the sake of this tutorial we will use data. The name is called grass. So type data and run here. So if you want to see the structure of your data name, so say structure and write your data, then run here. So it contains three variables and 48 observations. The variables are the judge, the treatment, and the evaluation. So if you want also the detail, if you want to see the detail of your data, so you have to type question mark and what looks like or what the graph is contain. So run here, it will display on the right side of your studio. So as you see, here is data for Friedman test, and 12 homeowners are selected randomly to participate in an experiment with a plant nursery. So if you need details, it will give you by clicking or by typing question mark. So these are all details you can refer. And so back to our business. So even also if you want to further to know your data, and so you have to show me and type your data name. So show grass. So it gives you this one for data observation and three variables that judge the treatment and the evaluation are your variables, dependent and dependent variables. So in data analysis, simply you have to type any name whatever you want here. For example, I can use my name Wagjira, then type this one with and our data name. Your data name is maybe different from this, so you write your data name here. So grass, then the non-parametric comparison tests that are used for this tutorial is Friedman. So put Friedman here and also your variables. Yeah, so we have three variables as I mentioned before in the introduction of Friedman. It is contains for dealing three or more dependent samples. So you have to set your level of significance 0.05, and also if you want many, it's the title of your analysis. You can give Wagjira results or your name, whatever you want. Wagjira result. Result is my title. So console is equal to true. Then select this one and run. So it will give you a result. So let's see what's the result looks like. So yeah, over here it's better to Yeah, maximize. Yeah. So here is the result. As I mentioned, the study is Workjura result. This is our title. Main is equals to Workjura result. So also it's displayed here. So treatment, and there is a sum of the ranks over here, and we have four treatments. And here is the evaluation, so you can see your result in this way. Also it gives a critical value, then p-value of chi-square, f-value, and p-value. It also gives you at the same time, it gives you also post hoc analysis in this way in order to comparison among the treatments. So this is how Friedman test is used to compare different treatments. So thank you for watching, and if you have any question regarding to my tutorial, you can address through my email wakjira@tasfahom at gmail.com. Thank you for watching and have a nice time.